Ah, shit. Here we go again. Fire! Railway Enterprise.
All right, now. I've gathered as many of you.
Is this a good time to file a complaint?
All you ever do is complain.
One of the water towers at Kirk.
You can practically see it from here. What?
Dunkirk.
Besides, Rustwater builds character.
The last thing I want to do is have these useless steam kettles cramp our style.
Harry looked at his friend Bert. The decision was final.
Yar, matey. I've just crashed through that bridge station and killed 52 people.
The engines provided their full and undivided attention.
Excuse me, Mr. Officer, but is it like this all the time?
After I finish lifting this heavy load, I'm gonna kill that lost engine.
A few months later, Oliver descended bunker first off the rail.